Vanonyepera, kundida my haters. They be capping like they care, but they traitors. They don't wanna give a chance, nah. They don't wanna see me dance, yeah. Vanonyepera, kundida my haters. Fake smiles, but they blocking creators. They don't wanna see me rise, no. Trying to silence all my vibes, bro. People like Sulu and Selmor, saying they legends but they closing doors. Blocking the wave, trying to stay on shore. Gatekeeping vibes that we can't ignore. Talking about copyrights they don't get. Ain't nobody copying your set. We got new blood with a sharper pen. Time to clean house, got a game reset. I ain't dissing, I'm just stating the facts. Y'all too bitter trying to hold us back. Rather see unity than all this cap. Imagine if Shashalim was made a track. Vanonyepera, kundida my haters. They be capping like they care, but they traitors. They don't wanna give a chance, nah. They don't wanna see me dance, yeah. Wicknell still waiting on my ride. Bentley dreams that never arrive. Patrick Alex with the dirty slide, but I bounce back. Got the streets worldwide. Border patrol know me on sight. Stamping my name on international flights. Airport love, yeah they know my sound. Sing UK, I'm drilling underground. Can't mute the voice of the next wave. We the new school out the cage. This ain't beef, it's just my stage. And I'm ripping truth out the cage, let it blaze. Vanonyepera,